If you want to draw clean, straight, and controlled strokes in Krita, the line tool is one of the easiest tools to learn. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use it step by step. Whether you're making sketches, technical art, comics, or just need precise lines for your design work, this tool can save you a lot of time and help you get a much cleaner result. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more Krita tutorials just like this. Alright, let's start with the first step. On the left side of your workspace, look for the main toolbar. This is where Krita keeps all of its drawing and editing tools. Find the line tool icon, which looks like a simple diagonal line segment. Click on it to activate the tool. Once it's selected, you're ready to start creating straight strokes on your canvas. Now that the tool is active, the next step is to set up the look of your line. Go to your brush presets panel and choose the specific brush tip style you want your line to use. This is important because the line tool can still follow the appearance of different brush presets, so your line won't always look the same depending on what you select. If you want a smooth pen-like line, choose a clean brush. If you want something more textured or artistic, pick a different preset that matches your style. After that, move up to the top toolbar and adjust the size slider. This controls the thickness of your line path. A smaller size will give you a thin, precise line, while a larger size will create a bolder, heavier stroke. Take a second to choose the thickness that works best for your artwork because this can make a big difference in the final look. Next, select your desired color from the color wheel palette docket on your screen. Pick the color you want before drawing so your line appears exactly the way you expect. This is especially helpful if you're building line art, outlines, or clean shape guides and want to keep everything consistent. Now it's time to actually draw the line. Click and hold your mouse button or press your stylus down on the canvas if you're using a tablet. Then drag your cursor across the screen toward your target endpoint. As you move, Krita shows a rubber band outline preview on the canvas. This preview is very useful because it lets you check the angle and direction of the line before you commit to it. If the preview doesn't look right, you can reposition your stroke before releasing. When everything looks correct, release the mouse button or lift your stylus off the drawing surface to place the final line stroke. Krita will then print the line exactly where you dragged it. If you need to draw another line, just repeat the same process again. Click, drag, preview, and release. Here's a very useful tip for better control. If you hold Ctrl while drawing, you can lock the line to 15-degree increments. This is great when you want perfectly aligned horizontal, vertical, or angled lines without having to eyeball the direction yourself. It makes the line tool even more precise and much easier to use for clean illustrations, layouts, and structured artwork. So to quickly recap, activate the line tool from the left toolbar, choose your brush tip style, adjust the size, pick your color, click and drag on the canvas, use the preview to confirm the angle and release to draw the line. And don't forget, if you want those 15-degree angle locks, hold Ctrl while you draw. That's how to use the line tool in Krita. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step Krita tutorials, and leave a comment if you want to see more drawing tool guides next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.